In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. My dear students, dear parents, and anyone who is watching this video, welcome to our social book, our social videos for grade 1. We are going to start with our first unit, which is Unit 5, Lesson 2, and the topic of this unit is called The Map of the World, from page 108 to 113. We are going to talk about some specific points which are maps, continents, oceans, and Arab countries. The first one, what is the map? The map is a picture or a chart that shows rivers, mountains, and streets in an area. On the map, we can find continents and oceans. What is the continent and what is the ocean? The continent is the largest land areas. So the largest land areas are called continents, and the largest water areas are called oceans. What about continents? And how many continents are there in the world? Yeah, that's right. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents in the world. And what about oceans? How many oceans are there in the world? Yeah, that's right. We have 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the last one, which is the Arctic Ocean. Now we are going to have a new topic, a new point, which is Arab countries. Yeah, the countries that we live in. How many continents, how many countries or Arab countries in the world? There are 22 Arab countries. They are located in 2 different continents. We can find Arab countries in Asia and in Africa. In Africa, there are 10 Arab countries. They are Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Mauritania, Sudan, Somalia, Djibouti, and the Comoros Islands. And in Asia, there are 12 Arab countries. They are Saudi Arabia, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, Iraq, Jordan, Qatar, Yemen, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, and the United Arab Emirates. So we have 22 Arab countries, and they are located in 2 different continents, in Africa and in Asia. And now we have some specific points which we must memorize, we must recognize with each other, okay? So we are going to start with our first question. The first question is asking us to name any 7 Arab countries. You are going to start to write any 7 countries, okay? You can start in 7 Arab countries. You can write Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iraq, Morocco, Syria, Lebanon, any 7 countries you can choose from the Arab countries, okay? And now you are going to classify these countries, whether they are in Asia or in Africa. So the first one, which is Egypt, we can find that Egypt is in African countries, and Iraq in Asian countries, Syria in Asian countries, Tunisia, African countries, Saudi Arabia, Asian, Lebanon in Asian countries, Sudan is in African countries, and Palestine is in Asian countries. Jordan is in Asian countries, Algeria is an Asian country, Qatar is an Asian one. Again, I'm sorry. Algeria is in African countries, okay? Qatar is in Asian countries, Yemen is in Asian, Libya, African, Bahrain, Asian, Kuwait, Asian, Oman, Asian, the United Arab Emirates is in Asia also, okay? And now we are going to have another question, which is we are going to find to state true or false. You are going to read this sentence, the following sentence, and you are going to write which one is correct and which one is false, okay? The first one, there are 10 continents on Earth. No, that's wrong. That's completely wrong. We have only 7 continents. There are 5 oceans on Earth. Yeah, that's right. We have 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The map is a picture or a chart that shows us rivers, mountains, and streets in an area. Yeah, that's true. And number 5, Saudi Arabia is in Asia. Yeah, that's right. Egypt is in Africa. Yeah, true. Bahrain is in Africa. No, that's wrong because Bahrain is found in Africa. And that is the end of our lesson. Till we meet again, see you and goodbye.